Hi, this is Lyle from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. In this video, we'll be talking about the Touchdown Challenge. Landing spacecraft anywhere in the solar system is hard, whether it's astronauts landing on the moon, returning to Earth, or robots touching down on Mars. We have to design systems that can protect astronauts and robots as they go from tens of thousands of miles per hour to zero. We use parachutes and rockets to slow us down, airbags to cushion our landing, and even rocket-powered sky cranes to safely deliver rovers to the surface of Mars. You can design and build your own astronaut lander at home. You'll need some materials. Here's an example, but use whatever you can find around the house. The big marshmallows are your astronauts. Now I don't have marshmallows, so I'm going to use a little astronaut toy. And the cup, that's your spacecraft. That's where your astronauts will go. You'll want to start by brainstorming ideas. First, design a shock-absorbing system. Think of things that absorb energy or provide cushion. Then you're going to build, test, and evaluate your astronaut lander by dropping it, starting with low heights and working your way up. Then, depending on how your lander performed, you're going to redesign to try to make it better. See from how high you can safely return your astronauts to Earth. Good luck! Go here for materials and step-by-step instructions, or click the link in the video description.